Okay, we're on 16 now, and it really, it's the same theme over and over again. But again, it's just, maybe practicing long division until you start to, see the pattern. All right, you're practicing, like practice multiplication, you practice addition, subtraction. You probably should practice polynomial long division. Now, number 16 looks too difficult for me to write on a piece of paper next to this problem and do it. Some people are really good at it, but I can't fit it there. So I got to go to my notes, and we're going to do 16. And let me get there, get rid of this, whoops, and let me do 16. And I'll write it down. And what do they want to do? And certainly I'll write down what they want me to do. It looks fairly simple. We've been doing this for a while now. X minus 3b. And yes, I'm not memorizing, I'm reading from the actual note. I just don't see any work down there. And this can be x cubed. Let's see, minus a plus 3b plus 2c, x squared. Let's see, plus 3ab plus 2ac plus 6bc, x minus 6abc. Gee, that's tough even fitting it in there. All right, let me remind you, if I copy something incorrectly, this is really going to go really kind of haywire. But I think I did okay. But I'll know I did nothing wrong. I can always look back and say, I got to do it again. So it happens to me a lot, by the way. X squared. This gives me x cubed. And then you're going to get minus 3b x squared. Well, that looks relatively simple to do. Let me write this down. And by the way, for some students, myself included, I have to write things down. So what am I doing? It's minus a minus 3b minus 2c, and I'm adding 3b to it. And what would that give me, minus a minus 2c? Well, I'm going to write it down this way over here. All right? Now, if you can do that quickly, do it quickly. All right? So, minus a minus 3b is plus 3b. That looks pretty simple. All right? Let's write the rest of it down. And I always like to drop the terms down. And let's see what we have to do next. Well, I guess I got to do this. Minus a, I'm sorry, I made a mistake there. I'm glad I caught that. I copied wrong. Let me look around and make sure I copy everything else okay. Yeah. So a plus 2c times x. And what's that going to give you? I'll write it down for you. Ooh, the next one's going to be tough. That's going to be plus, let's see, I'm going to write this down now. 3ab plus 6bc. Well, lo and behold, I do my subtraction. This thing disappears, which is great. And then what are you left off with? Let's write this down. You'd be left off with 3ab disappears, 6b disappears. You're left off with 2ac x minus 6abc. Well, it's a matching game. And what I'm going to do, now it's going to be plus 2ac. Let's see what we get. 2acx minus 6abc. Lo and behold, remainder 0. So I got another answer over here. Right? And again, I want to encourage you to look at the answer key to make sure you got that answer over there. And what are you getting? X squared minus the quantity a plus 2cx 2ac. All right? So that's not bad. I want to point out that also, and you may be shocked by this, that there's another pattern here that some of you may be seeing at this point. I'll write this down. X squared minus a plus 2c. This is not in the notes, by the way. Plus 2ac is the same thing as x, let's see, minus 2c and x minus a. Let me go through that with you. And again, I'm saying that this thing is the same as this thing over here. Let's go through it. This is x squared minus ax minus 2cx plus 2ac. And if you multiply this out, what do you get? You get x squared minus ax minus 2cx plus 2ac. I'm just doing term-by-term analysis at this point. Same thing, all right? But anyway, this is in your answer key, and you want to make sure that you're matching the answers that we provide to you. Now, if for some reason you don't feel that we're matching the answers correctly, like my answers are incorrect, reach out to me. Again, I know I say it's a lot to you. Not in every problem, by the way, but my name is Ron Bannon. And provided I'm not overwhelmed and you email me, I'll get back to you. If I'm overwhelmed, though, I won't be able to get back to you. Thank you.